Welcome everyone. We are solving the B.Ed entrance exam question paper of Assam University of the year 2018, and in our first video of this question paper we have solved up to question number 10. If you haven't watched the video, I'll provide the link on the description box below. You can watch it from there. So in this video let us start solving from question number 11. The question is, some teachers are popular among the students because you can see that in some school some of the teachers are very much popular among students. What's the reason behind that? Is it because they help students to solve their problems, or they take private tuitions, or they develop intimacy with the students, or they award good grades? Look, a good teacher for a good teacher there is no need to take any private tuition. He can take the class in a school in the school in such a way that there is no need for private tuition to become popular. And awarding good grades, a proper teacher will not award good grades without any reason. So also helping all the students to solve all their problems is not possible at all. So the reason behind a teacher becomes popular is that they develop intimacy with the students. So option C is the correct answer. Then question number 12, for a teacher, who is the most important quality to possess with? For a teacher, what out of the following four options you can think that the most important quality? Being regular and punctual, okay, this is a good quality. Completing the prescribed courses in time, these need not to be the most important quality. Then ensuring that the students are relaxed while teaching, this is also a good option. Helping students to develop mastery over the subject matter. Teacher develop the mastery in the students. To develop mastery in the subject, the students themselves have to do the efforts. So the important quality to possess with the teacher, I think, is being regular and punctual. This is the most important quality. Then question number 13, a teacher can enhance learning in elementary classroom. Look for the word elementary classroom. So you have to think in terms of smaller students up to the age of 10 or 11. Offering rewards for small steps in learning, this is good. For small students, small rewards are very much encouraging for them. Okay, drill and practice competition, then encouraging amongst her students, connecting the content the lives of the student. So to enhance learning in elementary level, you should connect the content to the lives of the students. You should explain the topics in such a way that they can connect those learning materials with their daily life. So option D is the correct answer, connecting the content to the lives of the students. Then question number 14, suppose you have been selected in all four professions given below, what is your choice would be? IAS officer, teacher, navy, doctor. So if you are having a very good interest in teaching, you are passionate about teaching, so you should choose teaching as your profession, no matter how lucrative other professions are. So I think you should mark option B here. Then teacher in a class is leader, friend, thinker, speaker. A teacher in a classroom should always be like a friend, like a facilitator, like a guide who can make the learning very much easy for the students. So option B, friend, should be the correct answer. What will you do as a teacher when few students are intentionally trying to disturb discipline in the class by involving in mischief? So if a few students are disturbing inside the class, and that too intentionally, so what you will do in that case? Will you expel those students? No, expelling those students is not a solution. Then isolate those students. Isolation also is not going to solve the problem. Then reform the group with punishment. Punishment can never be a solution to any problem of such type. Then giving them an opportunity for introspection and improve their behavior. So you can give them a situation, you can make them feel that their behavior is harmful for them and for the whole class. You will make them understand about this and give and allow them or give them an opportunity for the introspection. So this is option D is the correct answer. Then question number 17, best way of establishing repo. Repo establishing, I have already told in my previous videos that repo establishing is making connection. Before teaching in the class, the teacher should establish a repo with the students with informal talkings. On the part of the teacher is the in the classroom is to demand respect citing his age, command respect citing status, remain aloof, attract the students with knowledge and skill. How to establish repo? Will you demand that the students should respect you because you are superior in terms of age? No, you should not do that. Then command respect citing status, then you will uh, you will start telling about your qualifications and like this, so that and command them to respect you. No. Then remain aloof. So remaining aloof means you are not talking so much, so this is not repo building. So to establish repo, you should attract the students with knowledge and skill. You should present your knowledge and skill in such a way that the students get attracted to you. So option D is the correct answer. Then question number 18, classroom discipline can be maintained by how will you maintain the discipline inside the classroom? Understanding the cause of indiscipline and handle it strictly. Handling strictly means with the help of punishment is not a solution. Then providing an appropriate program which should suit the interest of the students, this can be a good option. You will give the students appropriate program or appropriate work so that they can get engaged in the work, so that the discipline can be maintained. Punishment is not a solution. So I think providing an appropriate program which should suit the interest of the students, you will provide them work so that where their interest is more, so that they can maintain the discipline. Then question number 19, I'd like to be a teacher because every teacher enjoys a lot of free time. Here is asking why you want to be a teacher. Is it because every teacher enjoys a lot of free time? Is it because you will have lots of free time, or it is so easy to teach people? Teaching is very much easy. That is why you are to be a teacher. This is not an option. This is not a correct option. It is highly respectable profession. Only because of respect. Respect can be gained anywhere if you work properly. And option D, it has lots of opportunities to serve. That should be the option, because the profession of teaching gives us lots of opportunity to serve for the society. And the last question for today, innovative teaching is known as innovative. The teaching where you use latest techniques or you will use some out of the box techniques. This is called innovative teaching. So it is known for its efficiency in teaching, fun of teaching, romance for teaching, creative teaching. Innovative teaching is actually creative teaching. You will create something out of nothing, or you will make some dull work very interesting. This is the innovative teaching. So option D is the correct answer.